Hi everyone! Have you ever looked for the perfect bracelet? Well, I've got a really easy option for you. Let's make this beautiful bracelet in just 7 minutes. Let's begin. These are the materials of today. We're gonna use two threads of 45 centimeters, and before we start, we're gonna melt it. We're gonna introduce a crystal in both of the threads. Move it until the middle. Now, we're gonna introduce some of our crystals in each side. Once we have our crystals ready, we're gonna make a simple knot. Before we continue, we're gonna turn our bracelet so we can continue with the same step. Fill it with crystals. As you can notice, there is the crystal in the middle that works as a divider. Once we finish, we're gonna make a simple knot again. The complete bracelet is about 15.5 centimeters. As one of the last steps, we're gonna make the basic knot. Now we're gonna cut the rest of the thread and as well we're gonna melt it. Now we're gonna introduce one crystal in each side and make sure to use both of the threads. Then we're gonna finish with a simple knot. And now as a last step, we're gonna cut the rest of the threads and we're gonna melt it. This is how it looks at the end. It is super easy to make and it's perfect for any occasion, like going out with friends, on a date, a party, or even just for everyday use. Hope you like and thanks for watching.